Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website earn cash online by completing the survey, playing games. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Inbox Dollars? Inbox Dollars is a web-based promoting organization and prizes club that pays its clients cash for their online exercises, for example, watching recordings, utilizing coupons, and taking studies. The site additionally pays its clients for joining. If you want to join, the link in the description box. What amount of cash would you be able to make with Inbox Dollars? You can even bring in cash by utilizing the Inbox Dollars search toolbar, a moment $1 credit, which, as per their webpage, might net you up to $57 every year. The greater part of the payouts on exercises range from a couple of pennies to a couple of dollars, relying upon what you pick. Is Inbox Dollars an authentic organization? Inbox Dollars is an authentic method to bring in additional cash on the web. It's been around for a very long time, and the organization says it's paid its individuals more than $59 million since 2000. Like most review locales, Inbox Dollars looks a touch overpowering from the outset. However, it's a pretty straightforward approach to help your ledger. How would you get a great deal of cash on Inbox Dollars? 7 ways to earn more money with Inbox Dollars. 1. Take all the profile reviews. This incorporates the interest survey and household overview. 2. Always take the best survey first. 3. Start watching Inbox Dollars videos. 4. Complete cash offers. 5. Make Inbox Dollars search your homepage. 6. Clip your coupons and purchase Groupon through Inbox Dollars. 7. Check for paid email. Accomplishes Inbox Dollars work in India? Presently, the open door is accessible to worldwide individuals, yet their primary objective is still the US. So on the off chance that you join Inbox Dollars from other nations like India, you will get less work when contrasted with the USA. Inbox Dollars is veritable, and it works in the event that you are keen on bringing in cash on the web. Bring in money for watching videos online. Inbox Dollars videos offers money for every video, so I realize I'm procuring rapidly. While my income shift from every day, on normal I'll acquire about 30 cents to 60 cents per day from watching recordings, or rather tuning into them, while at the workplace. What amount of time does it require to get paid from Inbox Dollars? Most offer profit will be credited to the part's Inbox Dollars account inside a couple of business long periods of offer fruition. A few offers may credit promptly, while others may take as long as 30 days to credit. Individuals should peruse and conform to all necessities of a proposal to guarantee ideal credit. Does Inbox Dollars pay through PayPal? Inbox Dollars is an online prizes club that has paid individuals over $60 million in PayPal, gift vouchers, and monetary compensations. Alongside PayPal, individuals can pick to recover their profit as a prepaid Visa card, money, check, or a gift voucher to Target, Amazon.com gift voucher, Starbucks gift voucher, or different prizes you want to create. PayPal account link in the description box. How you'll earn free cash. 1. Take paid online surveys. Most online studies for cash payments from 50 cents to $5 and take 3 minutes to 25 minutes to finish. There are some online studies that pay $10, $20, or considerably more on the off chance that you coordinate the segment profile they are searching for. Taking studies for cash is a fun and well-known approach to procure. Who would not like to bring in review cash for their feelings? 2. Watch videos. Huge brand organizations need shoppers to observe short scraps of their substance, similar to film trailers or new item includes. They pay us, and we share a segment of that income with you. You can even finish a short review for cash while you're getting up to speed with the most recent big-name title or watching a cooking exhibit. 3. Get rewarded for playing games. We include our very own wide cluster games like Monkey Bubble Shooter, Mahjong Solitaire, Outspell, and Candy Jam. Moreover, we collaborate with the GSN Club to offer you admittance to many GSN games. For each dollar you spend on GSN games, you procure 18% cashback with inbox dollars. 4. Cashback for online shopping. Procure cashback while you shop on the web, get free examples and limits from top brands, and that's just the beginning. We'll additionally impart to you our insider reserve funds tips on where to locate the best Liberates stuff on the web. New offers presented consistently for individuals on Spare and Acquire. 5. Get paid to read emails. Get our best offers straightforwardly to your email, and we'll pay you money only for understanding them, or complete the proposal for extra procuring openings. It's snappy and simple to get paid for doing what you're as of now doing on the web. Also, don't stress, we won't flood your inbox. 6. Coupon cash rewards. Gain admittance to free coupons for goods, home, excellence, and then some. Use them to get a good deal on your ordinary buys while additionally acquiring cashback in your record for each coupon you reclaim. I hope you're all enjoying the video and start from today. This site work in some countries, so please check out them. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to leave a comment. Good luck.